My name is Natalia. I'm doing business NCFE, and my favourite thing about the course is the experience that we get from it. Just doing real life things and events and actually getting to speak to people. Some of the things that we learn on the course is very different. So we learn about customer service and we learn about different businesses and how to go about events. So it's a big range. So my tutors are Lindsay and Michelle, and they're very helpful and understanding, and they're always there to support us in absolutely any way that we need. One time that my tutor did go above and beyond is when she was helping us with the event. So she took us all in the minivan, and she took us like a mini road trip to Tesco. So we were able to do our shopping and use the budget. But she supported us with it, but she did let us do our thing as well. So after the course is finished, I would like to go into a degree apprenticeship, as I do want to stay in education, but I do want to start working as well, so it's a bit of both. I think business is the way to go if you're unsure what exact subjects you'd like to do. It just opens up so many places for you to go after, and it allows you to learn pretty much anything and everything that you need to know about the real world and business.